Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, before we proceed to our next topic for today, what was our last topic?
Classification of polygon.
So, is there any more clarification or question about our last topic?
None, sir.
Okay, before we proceed, let us have an activity. So, this activity is entitled picking because you are going to pick here on the box what you are going to do here on the front. Okay, what I am trying to say is the given task is you will present it on the class after you answer all the given tasks that you have picked. Okay, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Okay, pick the given task. Okay, so sa given task na yan, gawin mo siya on your notes, and after that you will going to present it in front. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you are ready, then you can now start. So may I ask kung anong nakikita mo na polygon ang mandyan?
Sir, triangle. Ay, rectangle.
Okay, hugis rectangle siya. Tignan natin kung paano mo siya i-classify. Madali lang ba siya?
Yes, sir.
Finish class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you're finished, then you can now present it and write it on the board. Just write the answer.
Yes. Ito po yung segment AB and segment BD, segment DC, and segment CA.
Okay. So what is that polygon? What is the classification of that polygon?
Sir, isa po itong
Very good.
quadrilateral.
Quadrilateral.
Sir, yung number 3. Ito po, sir, ito mga guhit-guhit ay diagonal.
Okay, very good. So wala na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Finn. Very good. So you have answered the given task correctly. So makikita natin na itong sides of a polygon are the line segments.
Yes, sir.
Right? And dito, yung mga angles naman, right?
Yes, sir.
So, kung bibilangin natin kung ilan ang diagonal na maguguhit sa polygon na quadrilateral, magkakaroon tayo ng dalawang diagonal.
Yes, sir.
So, yung diagonal niya, diagonals of a quadrilateral ay dalawa.
Yes,
So,
sir.
very good, Finn. So, may katanungan pa dito? Any clarification? Wala?
No, sir.
Okay. So, very good. Nice presentation. So, at dito, ilan naman ang diagonal ng polygon na to? Ilan ang diagonal niya?
5, sir.
5. Bilangin na natin. 1. Right?
Yes, sir.
2. 3. 4. Saan pa?
Diyan sa pababa, sir. Yan.
5. So, there is a 5 diagonals that we can draw inside of a
Tagon.
pentagon. So, a pentagon, let us recall, pentagon is a polygon having a 5 sides. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So, ilan naman? So, what are we going to discuss for today is all about the,
Pentagon.
no? It's all about,
Ay, the
yung tawag natin dyan?
diagonal.
Diagonals. So, ano nga ba kasi ang diagonals? Let us take a look for the definition of a diagonal. Kindly read it, Finn.
Diagonal. A segment joining any two non-consecutive
Consecutive.
consecutive vertices.
Vertices. Okay, thank you, Finn. So, take a look on our figure 1. So, anong classification nito? Anong anong polygon siya?
Sir,
Yung apat na side, anong polygon ang may apat na side?
sir, quadrilateral.
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 It is a quadrilateral.
Quadrilateral.
So, ilan ang diagonals ng quadrilateral?
Sir, 4.
4. Tignan niya natin kung 4.
Ay, dalawa.
1, 2. So, ilan siya?
2, sir.
It is just only
2.
2 diagonals. So, ano yung mga diagonals ng quadrilateral on our given figure?
Sir, BC and AD.
BC, BC,
and AD.
and AD. Very good. So, let us just remember that a diagonal is a segment joining any two non-consecutive vertices. So, ibig sabihin nun, yung hindi magkasunod na vertices. So, dito, magkasunod silang vertices, hindi yan diagonal, okay?
Yes, sir.
It is a side of a polygon. So, ano yung hindi non-consecutive vertices? Ito, tsaka ito.
Yun.
Hindi
Yes,
sila
sir.
magkasunod. That if we join the two vertex, we create a diagonal.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Let us take for the next example. On our given figure 2. Let's say it is our A, B,
C.
C. So, anong klaseng polygon ang meron tayo?
Triangle.
It is a triangle. So, ano yung mga diagonal na nakikita mo sa isang triangle? Meron ba? O wala?
None, sir.
Wala. So, there is no diagonal on our triangle.
Yes, sir.
So, ibig sabihin, wala ding number of diagonal on our triangle, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So, punta tayo kay figure number 3. So, anong classification ng polygon
Sir,
na to?
pentagon.
It is a pentagon. Pentagon is a polygon having 5 sides, right?
Yes, sir.
Let's say this is B, C, D, E, F. So what are the diagonals on our given figure?
Sir, DF,
DF,
CE,
CE, ano pa?
BD,
BD,
DE,
DE, ano?
BE,
D, B,
B.
ah, okay, BE. So,
Tapos, CF. Ay,
very good. So, how many diagonals are there on our pentagon? Ilang diagonals?
Sir, 5. Ay,
1,
hindi.
2, 3, 4,
Ay,
5. So, there are 5
Diagonal.
diagonals on a pentagon.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So, paano naman pag sa hexagon? So, ilan ba ang diagonal ay ang sides ng isang hexagon?
Sir, 6.
6. So, let us draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ang tanong, ilan ang diagonals ng hexagon? Can you write it? Can you do it? So, ilan?
Susunod ko pa ng ABC.
Hindi na. Diagonals lang. Dito ka magsulat to. So, ilan ang diagonals ng hexagon? Tirayan mo. 1.
2, 3.
Tatlo lang ba?
Yes, sir.
Is that your final answer?
Yes, sir. Ay! Pero pa wala dito.
Ilan mo mabuti? So, ilan na yan? Ilan na yan? 4.
4. 5.
Oh, saan pa?
6.
6.
7.
Oh, saan pa?
8.
Oh, saan pa?
9.
9. So, there are 9 diagonals in
Hexagon.
hexagon. Very good, Pin. So, mahirap ba siyang gawin pa na i-drawing?
Madali lang, sir.
Madali lang. But, paano naman? How about, ito na tayo. How many diagonals can be drawn in a polygon of 13 sides? So, yung polygon daw natin, may 13 sides.
Yes, sir.
Oh, ilan ang diagonals na madodrawing mo doon? Mahirap na. Madami na.
Yes, sir.
Madami na. So, kung nahihirapan tayo, humingi tayo ng tulong sa ating formula on how to find the diagonals that we can be drawn in a given polygon.
Yes, sir.
Okay. For our formula, the number of polygon, since the number of the diagonal instead is our missing piece on our problem, yun yung hinahanap natin.
Yes,
Of
sir.
course. The number of diagonal equals to the sides over
Sides.
2 times the
Sides.
side of a given polygon minus 3. So,
Yes, sir.
just copy. I'm sorry. So, how many sides that we are looking for? 13, right?
Yes, sir.
13 divided by 2 multiply to 13 minus 3. So, always go first with our insides number. Okay? So, 13 minus 3 is 10.
Yes,
right?
sir.
10 multiply to 13, ilan?
10 multiplied to 13.
130.
Yes, sir.
So, 130 divided by 2 is equal to ilan? 65.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Meaning to say, there are 65 diagonals on a polygon of 13 sides.
Yes, sir.
Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
So, pwede ko na bang burahin to?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let us do example number 16 when we have a polygon of 14 sides. So, what is our formula?
Sir. ND
Equals
to 14. IS. Sides and
over 2 times
14.
the sides minus 3. Formula muna ang
Three pa rin.
sinusulat natin, okay?
Ay.
So,
Yes, sir.
ano yung sides natin? Ilan?
13.
On our example number 6.
Ay. 14.
14. So, let us copy 2. So, 14 minus 3. Ilan?
14 minus 3. 11.
11.
Yes, sir.
Then, let us multiply 14 into 11. Ilan?
11.
Oh, you can do it on your own. Ilan? Hindi mo mag-multiply?
11. 14.
Ilan? 11 times 14.
Sir, 154.
154. So, just copy the 2 number here and divide. So, 154 divided by 2. Ilang 2 ang nasa 154?
Sir, 177.
It is
77.
77. Meaning to say, there are 77 diagonals sa polygon na may 14 sides.
Yes, sir.
Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
So, is that clear, class? May katanungan?
None, sir.
Okay, if there is no question, then let us have an activity. So, the activity that you're going to do is you need to draw and tell the number of diagonals that can be drawn on the given polygon.
Yes, sir.
So, yung mga given polygon natin ay yung octagon at ang
Nonagon.
Is that clear, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can now start. Dali lang ba siya, class?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Are you done?
Yes, sir.
Hey, can you do it on the front? You can erase it.
I-drawing ko po.
Yes. Draw mo. Huwag mo masyadong laki yan. Meron tayong nalagay.
Tapos ganyan lang. Yan.
Saan mo? Saan ba natin dito dito? Yan mo? Wala nga.
Isang bilog yan.
Sakto 1.
Sir, 20 diagonal.
Okay. Next.
Hindi ko yan. Paano yan? Pwede lang. Kahit ganyan na.
1, 2, 3,
Dito na
4,
yung
5, 6, 7, 8. Hindi, 8 pa lang.
Hindi.
Paano 9?
Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, pito, walo, siyam.
Pagdikitin mo yan, dapat. Equals. Ilan ang diagonals?
Sir, 27.
Okay, very good. So, 27 diagonals. Let us just rewrite, okay?
Yes, sir.
In octagon, there are 20
20 diagonals.
So, nakuha natin siya using the formula, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. While nonagon, there is
27
27
diagonals.
diagonals. So, madali lang ba siya gawin?
Yes, sir.
So, as long as we know the formula on finding the diagonals of a polygon, we can easily determine the diagonals of a given polygon.
Yes,
Tama? So, are there any more clarification or question?
None, sir.
So, if there is no more question, then bring out one more sheet of paper for your quiz. So, for your quiz, find the number of diagonals of this polygon. Okay? So, you are going to find the number of diagonals of our given polygon.
Yes, sir.
Yung polygon natin may 21 side at may 25 na side. So, using our formula, you're going to find the number of diagonals of our given polygon. Is that clear, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can now start.
Yes, tapos 2. Yes. 13 din.
Minus 3.
Equals. Doon sides na. 21. Ito ba? Oo. 21 minus 3.
Madali lang ba siya, class?
Yes, sir. Bago na ganito. 18.
Are you finished, class?
Not yet, sir.
Madami ba yung diagonals niya?
Yes, sir.
Finalize your answer, class, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Finish?
Yes, sir.
Okay, pass your paper. So, may katanungan pa ba sa ating topic?
One, sir.
So, ano yung topic ulit natin?
Sir, diagonal.
Diagonal. So, wala na bang katanungan, class?
One, sir.
Okay, if there's no more question, then let us call it a day. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, sir.